Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Discord token step by step. Start by creating a bot application in the developer portal and treat the token like a secret key. Use environment variables or a secrets manager to store it, and never paste it into public code or chat. Follow best practices for access control, logging, and token rotation to keep your bot and users safe. To set up your bot, register an application and add a bot user from the developer portal, then enable only the intents you need. Generate a token and copy it to a secure location, then create an OAuth invite link with minimal permissions. Test your bot in a controlled server, monitor behavior, and adjust permissions to reduce risk while ensuring functionality for users. During development, keep tokens out of your codebase by using environment variables or a secrets manager, and never commit them to version control. Use distinct tokens for local, staging, and production environments, and rotate them when exposure is suspected. Implement rate limits and error handling to avoid accidental leaks, and teach collaborators secure handling practices so your bot remains reliable and accounts stay protected.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.